dancing in the golden sand, laughed through nights holding hands. 1,000 stars lit up the sky, but now two hearts caught in a tie. Back from the horizon, homeward bound, saw his smile, my heart unwound. Drawn like fire, eyes of the sea.
What is it?
He turned and whispered dreams to me.
Repeat what you said. I should repeat what I said. Are you okay?
I'm very mad as you are. You know, let me tell you something. You better stay off from my man. He is my guy. I met him first. So will I date him.
Hold on. Are you talking to me?
Hey, wait a minute. I'm not here to listen to your nonsense. I'm here to warn you.
Wait.
To stay off. You don't talk when I'm talking.
I should stay off which guy? Who is your man? Tell me because I'm lost. What are you talking about?
Very good. You know, you're a very good actress. You can pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. But listen, let this stick into your coconut head. That if I see you,
Chrissy,
I swear with my life, if I see you with my man again, I'm going to skin you alive.
No, wait. Chrissy, are you being serious right now? Which one are you talking about?
You dare not talk when I'm talking. You know, I came to warn you because you are my sister. You are my blood. I don't want to go to jail because of you. So I just came like Jesus Christ. I came just to clear road, to warn you.
Let me be clear. Since you entered it, you've been talking about your man. I'm lost. I don't even know the man you are talking about. Which man? Huh?
You can pretend.
I can pretend. I don't know who you are talking about.
Okay. So, let's say I'll just pretend as if you don't know the guy I'm talking about.
Okay.
And I'll tell you that I'm talking about AKWABOAH. Listen. Hey, I'm not cracking any jokes here. And I don't have your time. And I don't want to have your time. Listen. I'm here to just clear road. To warn you to stay away from my man. Else. You know what? You want to die. Day 2. You are just digging your grave. So you know what? Break your leg.
I should break a leg. Fine. I will break a leg. Fine. You know what? This time around, I'm not going to give this guy to you. Since childhood, you've been fighting over things with me. Anything that's mine, you force and take it away from me. But this time around,
1,000 stars lit up the sky, but now two hearts caught in a tie. Back from
It is
the
high
horizon.
time you stay off from my man. Because I'm not going to allow you to take my man from me.
he's not your man.
He's my man.
I am repeating it. He is not your man.
He is my man.
Hey. I don't know who sa. Huh?
I don't know what move for penalty. Ade, yes, sir.
That is why I told you to warn her to stay off from my man. On chin, you won't free me, bear man.
Hey, let me catch him, chill. One chin who threw bear man. And to bear manty, and I'm more poor home. Kitty Mumian, and we are four. Near no more poor bear man. Ma obi a wa bontere ene ne mumeko
Uncle.
ne minka na mummienu na moko enye fe me se de metie no se be ma no se wo tisei to wo tisei me found by mumamani na ho Ghana ha na maba Ghana fo no amwa ha no boys no o ma hu se bibi wo mo ho no o mo no mbe tata o mo de hia ne se wa bi mu a ubi mu o mo a asa o mu mu fa nya hwe na nyi se ba kura no wutiri gari ja ho ente se abuchire ho na ko hwe se bi asi hu ne echi bi afide na be boss o abrabo mabrabo na me peni o enti de bia mpese me kasa sa adai
We cry and you say we are not fighting over any man. The man that he claims say any man, no, the man is not her man. So I say, onya the man. Me na ma call me baby. Then I met a friend. Now me I came to you now make sure say, oh, I saw this guy. Then no, you are claiming him say oh your man. How? No, from your collab everything I mefa now this one san edie ade a wonim ho hwekra because who say crime no start no osu no de age san edie but this time around hell no me ntiase ne ntiase china
Chelsea
he's not yours, okay, he is not yours. It better you understand it right now.
Chelsea misro isu so di suji o so di mo bi mo firi abuti hoba ntuma hu be ma bia se Ghana ha na mo be pu be ma mo nya be ma bia profo mo wo ho eyi akama obi a ebi enim die kwaso nti ha na mo be ku mo ya ma manim guase
It is here.
It is who?
It is you.
Were you not the one who started this? Were you not the one?
Misrem bibia ni amunya abotere kwan a mo fa me fa so asisi sa asem na mo ko meye no mehu sa abe makora mo ko ya mo misrem mo fa so bi interview
I've heard you.
Okay. So what did you kind?
We grew up dancing in the golden sand, laughed through nights,
Hey, you know if you didn't know right?
1,000 stars lit up the sky, but now two hearts caught in a tie back.
Are you sure? Alright, talk, I'm listening to it.
So my baby no many unya bana like a dear girlfriend because many will kasa but just hello hi but I went say
Everything okay? You can talk. Talk. Feel free and talk, no?
I went to say
Do you need something? You have to. Whom here we are me. I will do it for you. Don't. That's all panic.
many children.
Of like, just say, manage me home, just say. Some Minyako.
You're a guy and I'm a lady, so some can say like many children. I was so OT.
So like open me and I visa like if I say me was sabe let me what's that open me
Michelle said me having that feelings towards you I check a girl. So I prayed about it and I had the confirmation.
I like you. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you very serious? So open me. Sorry. Like, because so we are feeling no. So when you be home, feel be not want to me and can I show how? So when you did you become I'm on the meeting I catch you say. me no me need that feeling for you because me who says that me nua ketwa. Because when me nua nam over fear 24/7. So me who say nua. But I say, you know, that day in dating there. Because me I don't even have any feeling. Just kata cry. As I say, many feeling it's like me who say me nua ba no. So you have to see me like yo, if I'm so brapping, take me that way. I think. How? The fact is that because but I'm not ready for dating. Me magic class me dating. Because now no, I'm focused with my projects and things. So
love's intricate maze, my sister's voice, a wistful tone.